Hello, this is Cake Bashing Inc. here, and that's a cat. Yeah, nighttime. And here's a kitty. Is all the kitties up together? And you know what? I just like to say that this kitty has some pretty sick sideburns. It's just it's a sideburns looking in the ear, and it's a kitty with a big sideburn. Totally not copyrighted from the bucket. Okay, so yeah, there's the kitty. Up close, look at your nose. Your nose. We have another kitty way down here. Way down here in these cushions. And we have this kitty. It hates me. It really hates me. Okay, I'm a little sad for you. Sadder. Hey! This one of you here, Misha. There's more. Yeah, I've got 1, 2, 3 black cats. And a kitty. And it's adorable. It's adorable kitty. Come here. This is far. Oh, look, here's the group. Misty, Maggie, and Misha. Yeah. This has been Cake Bashing Inc. I promise I'll do more videos, and of course it LA. No one watches my video because I have 6 views. So, okay, hi, kitty. Get really bad, I'm jealous. So, yeah. This has been Cake Bashing Inc. And, yeah. And we're just gonna finish off with some dinosaurs. I'm a dinosaur with a bunch.